Well, hi there.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing part 2 of 99 Nights in the Forest.
Oh, there's a goofy goblin.
Check out part. Oh my gosh!
Oh no,
It's ogre. It's ogre. Run. Go! Hit him before it gets me. Okay, wait.
Mine.
What do we get? What is the perfect?
I want to see.
Ooh!
Oh, we just got a rocket launcher.
Come on.
What are you up to, bro?
Yeah.
No!
Okay, I'm going. Wait, just gonna find. Where's your ghost?
Up there? Up there?
Oh, sorry. We're actually gonna try our hardest. Just it turned daytime. Dude, the way you died was crazy.
Bro, what's wrong with that? I'm trying to. Bro, what is bro aiming at?
And guys, make sure to like and subscribe to every video you watch, because I barely even have like and subscribers. Don't eat the chicken.
Food.
I'm gonna eat it because I need help.
Bro, I'm the only one. Bro, you just revived me. I only have 1 HP.
Come on. Oh, I think it's full. No, wait, no. We're one step. We're so close to getting the final level. We gotta do this, bro. Is it even possible to survive 99 nights in the forest?
Well, it doesn't say 99. Maybe it's like infinite days to survive, I guess.
Oh yeah, probably. Dude, we're so gonna do this. Dude, we're so close. I'm gonna kill Armstrong. Come over here, Armstrong. Okay, he kicked me. Come on. Okay, I died. Can you help me? I died. Bro? I'm dead. Help me.
Bro, what did you die on?
From Armstrong.
Oh shit.
Go
Bad
kill him.
Bad Armstrong.
Come on, revive me. And should we try to go for chicken egg? Oh shoot, it's about to turn nighttime. Shoot. We're so dead.
Oh shoot. Okay.
We're so dead. It's about to turn
Look what I
nighttime.
got here.
Dude, I died because of Armstrong again.
I literally did nothing with the freaking ammo.
Oh my gosh. Why the heck did that happen? Why the heck did that happen? Bro? Oh my gosh, bro. This is crazy. Crazy lever, guys. We're so close. And we got this. Just gotta wait for my friend to come back. Let's go.
Robbie, you literally just left me dead there.
What was I even able to do?
shut up.
Bro, why are our man so...
Give me the box. Give me the box, Robbie.
Oh, this is mine. I need the shield.
Oh, come on.
Oh shoot, it's Ogre! It's Ogre! Kill him, kill him, kill him. It's Ogre. Dude, I need help. It's Ogre. Oh. Get juked. Oh shoot.
Get you,
Dude,
I
I died because of strong arm.
Yo, shoot him.
Kill Armstrong. Ah, dang it.
I'm sorry, it's so funny.
Bro, this is so hard to beat. We're so close. Come on. Moment of truth, guys. Oh, wait. Come on.
But where's my crowbar at?
Dude, we're so close to the final level. Like a few more. Like probably like a few more. Oh shoot. We're actually close. We might do this.
Where's my crowbar at?
I don't know. Wait, we're so close. We're so close.
Oh!
This isn't the final one. We need more wood.
Huh? Mr. Armstrong!
Get juked! Oh, dang.
Nah, boo.
Oh shoot! Kill him!
Bro, I need that box.
Dude, that was one hit.
Oh, I just got a flash bang thingy. Bro.
Come on.
Ow, my eyes!
We need wood. Isaac, we need wood. The campfire's running out.
My feet.
No! I died. Dude, I died.
I'm gonna kill Armstrong first.
No, don't kill it.
Trust me, bro. I'm not gonna die.
Don't kill it, though. Just don't kill it. You don't want to risk. Look, he's walking away. Revive me.
Okay.
We need this wood.
Bro! We need more wood.
Oh my gosh, bro. I just died again. Can you revive me?
Bro, where'd you die? Bro.
You need to revive me.
What'd you die on?
I don't know. Probably because of Vulcan. Come on.
Bro, you hit me. Revive me. You camper.
Okay,
Revive me.
Come on. No! Respawn.
Revive me.
Respawn.
Robbie, that was
Wait,
horrible.
but bro, this was the end of the series. We
Auntie.
failed our first time. I think we need more people. Because the campfire just kept running out. We failed.
What about Carlos? Verdict?
Verdict, yeah. Probably
Yeah.
Charles and Verdict. We should probably bring those people. Well, and then in next video,
Nice looking.
peace